PS4 how to fix screen size. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix screen size on PS4, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you'd like to fix screen size on PS4, let's say something is not working properly on your PlayStation console, you just want to fix the screen size, it's actually quite simple. First of all, just head over to settings, and once you head over to settings, over here you should be able to see different options where you simply need to go to sound and screen. After you come to sound and screen, first of all you can see video output settings, select that and make sure that the ideal resolution is selected, because sometimes if your TV, let's say, does not support 1080p but then you select a 1080p firmware over here, you will be able to actually face some of the issues because your TV doesn't support it. Only if your TV is 4K, put the 4K in resolution as well. After that, you can select RGB range to automatic. HDR is not supported in mine. If it supports in yours, you can turn it on. You can select video output information as well, and over here you should be able to see all the details. Now you can come back and then just go to display area settings. You can see enlarge or shrink, so you can actually basically go ahead and enlarge it by pressing the arrow button on your controller, or you can also go ahead and then shrink it depending upon whatever size you personally prefer. Once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then also enlarge the area of your PlayStation console. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then fix screen size on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.